Hello and welcome to the challenge lesson. In this lesson you will have a challenge related to the conditional formatting topic to practice, and I have sure that you understood the concept. The challenge is to format a table containing the temperatures of the weekday from Monday to Sunday. All the cells containing the values from 0 to 14 have this style: a blue background, bold text, and color white. The cells containing a temperature on the range of 15 to 28 have this style. All the cells are bolded. The color is going to be black with this gold background. The cells containing the values above 28 this style: a red background, a red text color, and also bold. Pause the video now, solve this problem, and come back when you are ready to see me solving and you have already solved it. Now that you're back, let's select these cells and go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and delete the rules, because I want to format them with you. Apply. OK. I have a range between 0 to 14, between 15, 28, and above 28. I have to come to conditional formatting and come to the option between. All the values between 0 and 14 have a style. Let me custom. The background is this, font is bold, and the color is white. Okay, here I have, it was darker than this color. Let me take this color. I think it was this color. Yes. Let's come again, add one more rule to the case of a temperature between 15 and 28. What I want to have is a background with a ton of gold like this. The text needs to be black and bold. Here we have. The new rule is going to be for the case where the temperature is greater than 28. If it's greater than 28, what are we going to do is to leave this style. Okay, Ctrl B just to bold, and here we have completed this challenge.